In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all flagged emails on Outlook on PC 5 minutes. If you use flags to keep track of messages you need to follow up on, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to see them all in one view. We'll keep things simple and stick to the built-in filter so you don't have to set up anything extra. Start by opening the Outlook app on your PC. Give it a second to load your mail. If you have more than one account, make sure you're in the correct one on the left sidebar. The layout can look slightly different depending on whether you're using the classic Outlook for Windows or the newer Outlook, but the filtering option we'll use exists in both. Next, navigate to your inbox from the folder list. The filter we're about to apply works on the folder you're currently viewing, so being in the inbox ensures you'll see only the flagged messages from that folder. If your routine involves flagging messages in other folders, you can repeat the same filter there later. For now, stay in the inbox so the results are focused and easy to review. Now look for the filter control. In the newer Outlook, you'll typically find a filter button near the top of your message list, often above your emails on the right side. In the classic Outlook, you might see filter email on the ribbon, or a small funnel icon near the message list controls where you set sorting and view options. Click that control to open your filtering choices. From the filter options, choose flagged. Outlook will immediately refine your message list to show only emails that have a flag set. This includes messages you've marked for follow-up or that carry a flag because you set a reminder. You should now see a clean list of just the items that need attention. If your list is long, you can still sort by date or sender as you normally would. Sorting won't remove the filter, it simply changes the order of the flagged results you're seeing. When you're done reviewing, remember to clear the filter so you return to your full inbox. You can do that by opening the same filter menu and selecting the option that removes filters, which may appear as all, clear, or something similar depending on your version. That's it. By opening Outlook, going to your inbox, clicking filter and selecting flagged, you can quickly zero in on every email that requires follow-up. This small routine makes it much easier to stay on top of priorities without hunting through your entire mailbox.